Good morning, students. In today's class, I'm going to explain about another important algorithm in crypto system called El-Gamal crypto system. The main objectives of today's session is to introduce the basic concept of El-Gamal crypto system, different stages in El-Gamal crypto system, and its advantages and disadvantages, and how El-Gamal crypto system is useful in network and information security systems. At the end of today's session, the student should be in a position to understand what is the meaning of El-Gamal crypto system, what is the basic principle behind which the algorithm is designed, and what are the merits and demerits of the El-Gamal crypto system algorithm. El-Gamal crypto system is a type of public key crypto system. What do you mean by public key crypto system? A public key crypto system is also known as asymmetric crypto system. It uses an asymmetric key encryption for communicating the message between two parties. And it is based on the mathematical principle behind El-Gamal crypto system is discrete logarithmic transformation. So it is an asymmetric key encryption decryption system which is based on the principle of discrete logarithmic transformation. The main principle behind the design of El-Gamal crypto system is is based on the difficulty of finding discrete logarithm in a cyclic group. So finding a discrete logarithm in a cyclic group, that is, even if you know GA, G to the power of k, etc., it is extremely difficult to compute GA to the power of k. So it based on the principle of how difficulty is in computing the discrete transformation, discrete logarithm on a cyclic group. So anyway, in the logarithmic transformation, the topics, the notations have been discussed. And it is based on a Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm. It's also a type of crypto system algorithm, and the system is named as El-Gamal because that system and algorithm was proposed by Tahir El-Gamal in 1985. Nowadays, El-Gamal crypto system algorithm finds lot of application in GNU Private Guard software, recent version of PGP. PGP stands for Pretty Good Privacy, and other crypto system. So this algorithm has been built into this system to enhance the security of the system, and it's a variant of DSA algorithm. DSA algorithm stands for digital signature algorithm. A digital signature is one, it ensures that the message, software, and other things are transmitted to the only the intended or authorized recipient, and no other hacker should hack it. So only it should ensure that it is received by only by the intended, and by ensuring, by attaching that signature to such document, we call it as a digital signature. The three basic steps in El-Gamal crypto systems are: one is generation of key, second one is encryption of the message, and third one is decryption of the message. I'm going to explain these three systems in brief. Key generation. Assume that a message has to be transmitted from Alice to Bob. Then the first step the Alice did is the Bob first generates the public and the private key. Bob chooses a very large number called Q and a cyclic group F of Q. From the cyclic group, he chooses any element G and an element A such that the GCD of those two numbers A and Q is equal to 1. That means they are co-primes. Then he compute H equal to G to the power of A, because the value of G is known, the value of A is known. Bob publishes F H equal to G A to the power of Q, where Q and G are his public key and retain A as private key. The concept of private key, public key has been taught in the previous sessions. The second step is encryption. Alice encrypts the data using Bob's public key. Alice selects an element K from a cyclic group F such that the GCD of K and Q is equal to 1. Then she computes P equal to G to the power of K and S equal to H to the power of K, that is equal to G A to the power of K. She multiplies S with M. Then she reads P comma M star S equal to G to the power of K comma M star S. So that is the encryption process. And the last stage is decryption. Bob decrypts the message sent from the Alice by calculating the formula S dash equal to P A to the power of A equal to G A to the power of K. He divides M star S by S dash to obtain M as S equal to S dash. So the mathematics behind the design of Elgamal algorithm has been taught in the one of the session in the network security called logarithm and exponential transformations. Next, what are the advantages and disadvantages of Elgamal crypto system? One major drawback with the Elgamal crypto system is the size of the ciphertext. The plain text, after the addition of the key, it becomes a ciphertext. The size of the ciphertext is twice long as the plain text. So naturally, what happens is during the transmission, it requires more bandwidth and it takes more time. And the second major drawback of this algorithm is encryption process as well as the decryption process is very slow. But even though it's very slow, it is secure. The main advantage of Elgamal crypto system is same plain text gives different ciphertext each time it is encrypted. So with this one, what happens is the hacker is not it's not possible for a hacker to determine the plain text from the ciphertext. Each time the plain text by the addition of the key, it is converted, it gives you different types ciphertext. So this is the main advantage of Elgamal crypto system, because if the same plain text, when you add the addition of the key, if you keep on generating the same ciphertext, mean through trial and error method, the hacker can easily decrypt it. But it's not so, because the same plain text gives a different ciphertext each time it is encrypted. So in today's class, we learned about the basic principle behind Elgamal crypto system. It is based on discrete log transformation, and it is based on the field principle of how difficult it is to compute the discrete logarithm in a cyclic group. So he has used that principle because in generation of that one, it's very difficult. Based on this principle, the algorithm was designed. And we learned the different stages in Elgamal crypto system. One is generation of the key based on both private and public key, because it's a type of asymmetric crypto system here. Say a different key is used for encryption process as well as decryption process. If the recipient private key is used for encryption, then public key is used for decryption, and the vice versa. And based on today's, we also learned about the advantages and disadvantages of Elgamal crypto system algorithm. Based on today's lecture, some few multiple choice questions have been designed. Elgamal algorithm is symmetric key crypto system, asymmetric key crypto system, both A and B, none of these. It's an asymmetric key crypto system. It's also called as a public key crypto system. The answer is B. Elgamal method is based on exponentiation, discrete log, discrete cosine, Fourier. The correct answer is B, discrete log transformation. Main advantage of Elgamal technique is high speed, less memory, different ciphertext for the same plain text, and none of these. The correct answer is C. This is the main advantage of Elgamal technique. Elgamal technique is a variant of formats method, DES, AES, and DSA. DSA stands for digital signature algorithm. The answer is D. Elgamal technique is based on DH key exchange, true or false. The answer is true. So with this, I will conclude today's session. And if you have any of the doubt, you can refer the books given in the reference section of your study material. Thank you.